Hi there, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I'm super excited to open up my May ColorPlay box. This is the Tropical Garden Party theme. Um, I haven't done my mani yet. I just took my polish off yesterday and haven't had the time to redo my nails, so I have naked nails. But this is the warning. Actually, I haven't opened it yet. So, if you do not want to see what is in the May ColorPlay Color Street subscription box, please pause or turn off this video and wait until you get yours if you want to be surprised. So I am going to go ahead and open it again. This is May Color Street's subscription box. ColorPlay, the ColorPlay is what the subscription boxes are called. This theme was the tropical garden party. So haven't seen it yet, and I'm super excited. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is super promising. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're gonna look here. Oh my goodness, I forget the names. Okay, so this is, oh, I'm like super excited. Lychee? I don't know how to say that. Is it lychee or lychee? Rose. It is a bright coral. Does it look coral? It's pretty orange on camera here, but in the window light, it's reading a little more coral than just straight up orange. So I'm calling this a shimmer, bright or darker coral color. This is cool, you guys. Okay, sorry, I'm excited here. All right, it's all full-size sets, you guys. We got five full-size strips. Okay, this is a glitter overlay, champagne fizz. So this is kind of reminiscent of champagne sugar, but it's more iridescent gold, almost prism effects like glitter in the fact that they're irregularly shaped, but it is all gold. I'm assuming it's a clear overlay. I don't actually know for sure, so let me just double check. What did they describe it? Pour yourself a glass of bubbles with this gold glitter clear overlay. So champagne fizz, so it gives that gold dusting over everything is what I'm assuming it's going to do. That shimmer, so kind of think of that gold shimmer that's over Heat Wave. So like I wonder if we put these together, if it would look almost similar to Heat Wave. Again, although this is more of it looks a lot like brighter orange on camera than it does in person. I mean, it's still pretty bright, but it's a coral color. Let's see what they describe it as. They describe it as, oh, it's lychee rosé. It has the accent. So a sweet, shimmery coral that's bold and refreshing. So that's right, a bold coral. All right, this is the one. So I saw them making this one, you guys, but I couldn't see anything. Oh, it's different than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was more of a glitter, but it isn't. Okay, so this one's called Raspberry Tart. Delight in this sweet, light raspberry shimmer. A shimmer dip is what they're calling it. So I don't know if you can see that there's like faint lines of the color at the tips. Or, well, actually that would be the base. And then there's the more of the solid swipe in the middle. So that's something that's different we haven't seen before. They're calling it a raspberry color, but it's reading more coral to me than raspberry. But I don't know what it looks on. But if it's a shimmer dip, then that would mean that these are clear, I would guess. I'm going to look at the examples after. So let's finish looking at these. This one is matcha. Oh, I didn't realize it was shimmer. Okay, so if you can see, I don't know if you can tell, it's a shimmer. They call it a blast of rich matcha green with luxurious gold shimmers. So again, it has that kind of gold shimmer effect. Oh, this box is good, you guys. It's definitely way different than what we've been seeing. All right, this one I'm excited about, you guys. All right, floral notes. So savor these gold tips with orchid patterned shimmer dip. So another shimmer dip. So like I said, I'm sure they're trying to experiment to figure out how to get some different looks. So this is a shimmer dip is what they're calling it. So it looks like they're printing on with the gold and the I don't know if it's a red or more of a raspberry color, little flowers. All right, so this is the color palette, definitely reminiscent of the box that we've of the flyer we saw, with the kind of the orange, bright oranges, corals, greens. It definitely has the gold in it. I want to see what the box, I don't remember what the box looks like. So it doesn't have any palm leaves, which is you know, I'm kind of okay with, because we've had a lot of different palm overlays in the past. So it would really be, I guess, unless they did like ferns, which I don't think they've done those yet. But okay, the colors are definitely there. I like the gold. You know, I'm digging this. This is definitely different colors than we've seen in any other box. Okay, I haven't even looked at what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Sorry, these are so cute. You guys, these are bamboo coasters. Like, I'm totally going to use these. Oh my goodness. These are die-cut bamboo wood coasters. It's a set of 4. You guys, I'm sorry, but this value of this box is amazing. We have legit, oh cute, they're like branded little coasters. Obviously, you know, they don't have the design on the other side, so you could, but oh my gosh, like legit wood coasters. You get a set of 4. You know, I don't know how awesome they would if your drink is dripping a lot, since it has like these lines in it, but it's super cute. Okay, but look at this. So we have 5 full sets, 2 things that we've never seen as far as these new shimmer dips, which I'm gonna want to play with these instead of putting, I have to decide. Maybe I will put these on right away and play around with them. I don't know. I can't decide. But anyway, okay, so that's my problem. And then we have some colors that I don't feel like we've seen before, especially this green. Like, I don't feel like we have this shade. This coral, we've had lighter corals that are more almost pastel. This is definitely brighter and bolder. And the closest probably to this is a cross between Peaked by Luminosity and Champagne Sugar, but really we don't have anything like this either, because this is an all gold, where Peaked by Luminosity is that Prism Effects holographic-y glitter, and this is definitely reads as the all gold. So let's look at the looks that they're providing here. Okay, I'm really pumped, you guys. Okay, so this is the first look. I'm assuming it is, oh goodness, they have all sorts of little looks. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's floral notes by itself, looks like this. So I can't tell then, does it have, oh yes, it has, so it has the shimmer. Maybe it's, now I can't tell if it's just sheer or if it's not clear then. Okay, it's hard to tell. And then the green with the gold over it. And then, okay, so this has the lychee rosé and the raspberry tart together, and then it looks like they have the champagne fizz over, I think, just the solid ones. All right, this will be interesting to play with. I can't decide. Does the, see these gold tips with Orchid Pattern Shimmer Dip. I can't decide if the shimmer dips are clear at the base or not. You know what? Let's just like look at them. Maybe I'll just put one on. Maybe I'll do that in my next video. Maybe I'll do a little demo. Okay, I think I'll just put one of these on for my next video. So I just wanted to do my unboxing. You guys, I'm super excited. This is definitely a unique box that we haven't seen before. Some new colors and some new innovation in the strips. No accent packs. 5 full strips. You guys, I still can't get over that there's 5 full strips. And that there's kind of a product that's like, I like this little what's the little free item or the little bonus gift of the little coaster. I think that's adorable. So super excited, you guys. All right, well, I hope you guys are happy about it too. These aren't maybe necessarily colors that I would pick normally for myself, so I like that it's kind of pushing me outside my comfort zone because I think it's going to be fun. So trying to get some ideas in my head of how to play with this or what to do. So all right, you guys take care. Bye-bye.